Wasn't going to make a video, but this came out nice, real nice. This is the yard that I did in the fall. Air rape seed with Kentucky 31. And I'm not sure if I did weed and feed. I'm not quite sure yet, but I used Kentucky 31. That's good grass seed. So get that. Got it from Tractor Supply Company, TSSC, you know, and the green bag. So that was the yard I did a week and a half ago, 2 weeks. That's what I was telling you. Once I got that shit out of the way, don't worry about it. You grind it down, it'll come right back up. It turned out real nice. This was a low cut at 2.5. I'm not going to cut this low again, even though it does look like a golf course, which is real nice. So anyway, thank you. All right, this is for my lawn mow brigade out there, just people that follow me. This is the job that I did 2 weeks ago, the first cut of the year. This was actually my first cut property for maintenance. And why I said I wanted this yard is because I cut the guy next door and now I'm cutting his. So I cut this nice all at one time. It's actually faster to cut the 2 yards together than it is to cut the 1 yard because of all the turning around that you have to do at the property line. I just keep going and then turn around just a little bit more. So that little bit of turnaround, I got these 2 yards done in 45 minutes. That's freaking good. And I didn't skimp on nothing. I did it full out trim, full out blow, full out mow, full out go. You know what I'm saying? So now you know. And with the mow flow. Name's Kylo. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. So thanks. And also, this is another one of the oh shit, I should play it. I can't do that. Like some kind of legalities. I can't play his voicemail. He calls me over and over and over again. The customer's not always right. When you coming? I called you about a week ago. No, you didn't. You called me 3 days ago. So, but I put up with it because I'm a nice guy. And these are old people. So I put up with it, you know. Gotta love them. You know, they're my customer base. Now, if they were really ignorant to me, then yeah, I don't put up with it. But I have put up with a lot of shit when I first started. But this guy here, I've learned to just joke back with him. Like he called me, the first thing I said when he answered the phone, he goes, hey, Carl! Hey, buddy! He was getting ready to say something. I said, is your ears burning? He says, I don't know what to do when you goof around, right? I said, yeah, your ears are burning. I was just talking about you. And I said, I was about heading your way. And I actually was. I was like, holy crap. It's like, this guy knows when I'm coming. And I was just joking around. Hey! He didn't say anything about how many times he called me, because he knows. Like I said, you're essential to them. You treat them right, they will, but customers do have a breaking point, and they try to, you know, threaten to get somebody else. You know my feelings on that is get somebody else. It's kind of funny. I actually did that. I had to do this to this guy at one time because our little love-hate relationship, I couldn't take it no more at one time, but we're good. I put up with a lot of shit. Sometimes it is true. Sometimes I am taking too long to cut the grass. But hey, you know how it goes. We got a mows. So, I gotta stop rhyming all the time. You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing.